morning, friends, and happy Friday. Woo woo. Let's do the, all right, hold on a second. So that was my nail lady. I had a nail appointment today at 9:30 and I'm on my way there right now and it's 9:22, but I wanted to go there and cancel with her and reschedule it for next Thursday. I don't need to have them done right now. I mean, they're in really good shape, so I can wait, you know, until next week or whatever, which is fine by me. And I just actually didn't feel like sitting in the chair this morning, which is like so odd because normally I look forward to that relaxing time. But like I said, my nails really didn't need it right now, and I'll just wait till next Thursday, which is fine, which will be like a nice fresh polish before we leave for Pensacola next week, so I'm good. But anyway, she was calling because she's like, you're always early and you're not here, and I was worried. I'm like, oh no. I said I was on my way there right now because I wanted to cancel with you in person, because I didn't think that, you know, obviously she wasn't gonna answer the phone. I didn't think, but now she's there, so she might answer the phone. So okay, so now that puts me off my schedule of what I'm gonna do. So basically what I was going to do is I have to go into the store. Brian wanted me to pick him up some Tootsie Pops, which is so weird because he's been craving Tootsie Roll, like not Tootsie Rolls, but like Tootsie Pops. You know, like how many licks does it take to get to the center of a Tootsie Roll pop? That's what he wants, those. When he said that to me last night, he's like, I've been wanting Tootsie Pops. I'm like the owl Tootsie Pops, like how many licks does it take to get to the center? And he goes, yes, those ones. And I'm like, oh, okay. He's like, well, just order some on Amazon. I'm like, well, Brian, they won't get here till like Saturday or Monday, or maybe even Sunday. And I said, but I can go to the store and get them for you like tomorrow, and then you'll have them tomorrow. And he's like, that's fine. So I gotta get him some Tootsie Pops. It's like, I don't want to go into Walmart though, because Walmart, their air is not like, they know. Oh, that's right, because I wasn't gonna. See, it's so funny. My mind just like races and I'm like, oh yeah, let's go get that. Let's go do that. I meant to bring like my fan, my portable like USB charger fan, the one that I got for the cruise. I was gonna bring that with me to get my nails done. I'll remember that for next week because I get hot in there too. I think for some reason they like it hot in their like nail place. I think that they enjoy the heat. I don't, not when I'm flashing, I don't. So yeah. So basically what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna run, I gotta go to my UPS place, my P.O. box. I got something in my P.O. box. And then I was gonna go to Walmart and get him those Tootsie Pops. And there's something else I wanted to do. I don't know. I'll let you guys know. You guys will be the first to know though. So yay, happy Friday. Hang out with me.
I think we should take Starbucks a month ago. May I have a name for your order, please?
Angie.
Angie, what can I get for you today?
Can I get a grande white mocha, please, with caramel drizzle caramel syrup?
All right, what else for you?
That's it.
Grande white mocha with caramel syrup and caramel drizzle. It's gonna be $6.26.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So that's like the first time that they've ever asked for my name. Alrighty guys, so I'm at TJMAXX. I thought I'd run in here really quick because I did see somebody post the other day on Instagram that they had their fall stuff out. Now, that may not be this TJMAXX. It might be their TJMAXX. But I did not come in here the other day when I said that I was going to. I kind of skipped it. But I think I'm going to go in here today. Well, not think. I am. I am going in here today. I'm going to go check some stuff out and see what they have out, if they have anything out, because I'm really like wanting to make sure that I grab Rae Dunn stuff for Halloween. So if I get there like early enough, maybe I could grab some stuff. So I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna go into TJ. Alrighty, so they don't have a lot of Rae Dunn stuff for Halloween yet, but they've got like these, which I don't care for those. They've got these. They've got the watermelon ones still. Eat, taste, snack. Eat, taste. Yeah, not a fan. I don't really care for those. I'm very picky about Rae Dunn stuff. Very, very picky. These are pretty. The blue with the butterflies. Those are really pretty. Those are $5.99? Yeah, $5.99. And I like the blue ones right there too. Those are pretty. I also like these ones. Those are pretty. Are those Rae Dunn? No, Blue Harbor. Pretty. Pretty, but no other Rae Dunn stuff. They have plates down there. They have all this stuff. Not a fan. You guys, I love these mugs. These are cool looking. How fun are those? Those are $3.99. I really do like those. That's actually really fun. I might get that. Like, consider getting that. How cute is that? Alrighty guys, so hey, I am back from running a few errands. I wanted to show you guys the stuff that I picked up at TJMAXX really quick, but before I do, I wanted to let you guys know that the navy blue shirt, that little off the shoulder number, and the green one that I ordered from Walmart the other day does not fit. I'm so upset about that. Even I thought somebody had made a comment and said, well, once you put it on, maybe it'll look longer than you think that it is. Yeah, it's not that it's longer, because I think the length would be okay. It's just that it's so tight through here, like I can't move. And I know that if I moved, it's gonna like rip. So that's just not gonna work. Again, it's like with the size of my boobs, I have to like be careful with like the size of the shirts that I get, even though like I get like sometimes an extra large, and depending on how it's made, it will determine on if it fits or not, like in the front. Like this is really loose, which is good, it gives me lots of room, and this is an extra large from Old Navy. An extra large from Walmart in a shirt like this probably would be super tight. So again, it just depends on like where it's made, the quality, this, that, and the other. So those two shirts are out. Those are not gonna fit, so I'm gonna end up putting those on my Poshmark and selling those. Then those navy blue shorts that I ordered from Amazon the other day, remember I showed you guys the ones with the elastic waist? I thought they made like gauchos. Yeah, no. Those, even though those are an extra large as well. Okay, actually I don't even know if that means 4XL. That can't be right. Anyway, they don't fit either. They are so tight in my butt that, yeah, you can see all the craters on the moon from that. So I'm not gonna wear those. And then that skirt that I showed you guys as well, the white skirt with the black lace, does not zip up all the way. So I'm gonna see if I can actually take it to the cleaners and see if they can't like put elastic waist in it. Can't go wrong with elastic waist. Okay, so this is the stuff that I got at TJMAXX. But first, let me show you this dress that I got at J.Crew. I ordered this dress from J.Crew. Probably won't fit either. But anyway, this is the dress that I ordered from J.Crew. I love the navy blue with the green eyelet. If this fits, this is going to be something that I wear on the cruise for one of our formal nights. I'm hoping that it fits. I'm not sure. I will definitely let you guys know if it does or not. I mean, it should. That is an XXL. And again, it just depends on how things are made, but I'm gonna give it a try. All right, so on to the TJMAXX stuff. Okay, as you guys can see, I did pick up one Rae Dunn mug. This was $5.99. It just says relax. Absolutely love it. I always like to get like Rae Dunn mugs anyway. They didn't have anything for Halloween yet, so I got my Rae Dunn fix with this mug. And then I got these towels, which I'm gonna go put on my stove or possibly on my island in just a few minutes. I did get this mug, which I did show you guys in the video. This was $3.99. I absolutely love it. It's just so cute. It's like the Day of the Dead, isn't it? Yeah, like a Hispanic thing. I love it. So cute. It reminds me of Coco, the movie Coco. And then of course, no trip to TJMAXX is going to be complete without a pumpkin, because they have all of their, they don't have all of it out right now, they just have a little bit out, but they have a pumpkin stuff out. So I picked up this pumpkin jar, super cute. That was $5.99. And then I picked up some hangers for Brian because his shirts, these ones are going to be a little bit longer for his shirts, and they won't leave that little bump on the tops of the sleeves. And then I got this because of making like guacamole and stuff. I want to be able to smash my guacamole really, really nicely. And this was only $7.99 at TJMAXX. And I love this thing. I've been wanting one for a while, and then I seen it and I'm like, oh yeah, love this. So $7.99. These were $9.99. And that is it for my TJMAXX stuff. I'm gonna go put these in my kitchen. I love them. And then I did pick up some pops for Brian, which are the Tootsie Pops. These are, which I've never seen these before, so these are pretty new. These are Pops Minis. 300 of them, and they're minis, so I don't know what size of little Tootsie Pops you could possibly put in there, but I got a bag of 300 and they're minis. I couldn't find the big large ones, so hopefully he'll be fine with that. Alrighty, so I put these there. I like the way that they're gonna look on my island against the painted color here, or against this paint color. I love it. I think it's really pretty. I like it, I like it, I like it. What do you guys think? Cute? Yes? No? Yes? Yes. Alrighty, so I am gonna go ahead and end the vlog for today. I actually have to pack my bag and get some stuff ready for me to leave for my mom's tomorrow. I'm only gonna stay one night. Some things have changed now. Brian and I are now leaving on Thursday for Pensacola because he has a demo to do in Mobile on Thursday. So we're going to be leaving here Thursday morning, which puts us in Pensacola early on Friday, which is great. Gives us a nice full weekend of fun next week. So I'm excited about that, which means I have to change my nail appointment again from Thursday to Wednesday. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and do that. But in the meantime, I am gonna pack my clothes for my mom's house tomorrow, and I will definitely be coming home on Sunday. So I really don't need that much, just a little bit of toiletries, some PJs, and some clothes to wear home. So thanks guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys on Monday. Have a great weekend.